Welcome to Mastering the Literature Review, a comprehensive guide designed to help you research, synthesize, and write a high-quality academic literature review. A literature review is a critical synthesis of current research on a focused topic. It is not just a summary. It identifies key themes, debates, and crucial gaps, establishing the scholarly foundation for your research. We write literature reviews to establish context, map your research questions within the broader academic field, and identify gaps to provide the rationale for your work. This also helps prevent duplication of previous studies. This video will walk you through the entire process, focusing on a clear 5-step approach, from your initial database search to the final polished draft. Step 1 is to search the literature. Start with clear keywords and identify relevant academic databases. Utilize Boolean operators like and, or, and not to refine your queries and find the most impactful foundational texts. Step 2 focuses on evaluation and selection. Assess sources based on 3 criteria: relevance to your question, credibility through peer review, and recency, especially in fast-moving fields. Step 3 is to synthesize and find gaps. This is where critical synthesis happens. Look beyond simple summaries to find the connective tissue, identifying recurring themes, major debates, and pivotal gaps. When structuring your review, you can choose a chronological approach to trace historical evolution, or a thematic approach to organize by recurring themes, which is the most common method. Step 4 is drafting the review. Your draft should include a clear introduction, logically synthesized body paragraphs, strong transitions, and a conclusion summarizing findings, gaps, and connecting back to your research. Finally, step 5 is to revise and refine. Maintain an objective tone, use clear transitions, paraphrase effectively, and always cite accurately to avoid plagiarism.